Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're exploring Cañon City, Colorado. So we booked a train ride here that will actually take us through Royal Gorge. So we got here, it's about 8:30 right now. The train leaves at around 9:15. If we take a look behind me, well in front of me, we can actually see the train right there. So that's what we'll be getting on. So we just got our tickets, all four of us. We are at gate 5, I believe, and we'll be boarding the train soon. Pretty cool. There's the train. There's Zoe. It's a pretty big train.
Aboard!
Alright, it's time to get on the train. I think you can walk out there while on the train, so that'll be pretty cool. Big line already. So if you plan on coming here, come very early. We came at 8:30 and the train leaves at 9:15, so get here with plenty of time. You're on the train. Train's hiding. That's what it looks like. On the train you can also order food and drinks.
Railroad station where you picked up your train tickets.
Pretty cool. The train has now left the station and we are moving.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. I think this train ride's like 20 miles round trip or something.
In 1976, the dam was removed, returning the river to its natural flow.
Lots of yurts. Luxury riverside yurt rentals. What do you think of the train ride?
Very beautiful.
Very nice.
Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it. Up there is the zip line for the gondola and the zip liners. And then there's the Royal Gorge Bridge, suspension bridge. So we got off the train a little bit ago. Just wanted to give you guys an update. But the train is down in that canyon and we are now way up here on the Royal Gorge Trail. So yeah, the train was pretty good. Highly recommend it. Doing some hiking now, so thanks everyone for watching, and if you're in Cañon City, definitely check out the train.